rush. And IRS moves in to pull 2 of those recycle bins off, and they've got them. All 3 Blue Alliance robots are in the auto zone, though. They're going to get the 4 points. And every point counts in these rounds. 36-63 needs to get that garbage can upright. They had a little mishap there. Something just fell off their robot. We'll figure out what that was. It might just be a camera. They're looking for another garbage can. And they got a little issue there with the arm, but they're going to figure out how they make things work here. Meanwhile, IRS begins its first stack of 4. They're into the landfill, trying to negotiate around some of those litter pieces that are coming over fast and furious from the Blue Alliance. Any way those can get in the way could be trouble for these teams. But IRS manages to get their 4 up there with a recycle on top. The first big score in this round. And a red one flies across from the Red Alliance over to Blue side. Every noodle across there in the other Alliance's zone counts for 4 points. 36-63 having some issues getting some totes started here in this round. Meanwhile, IRS works methodically at getting stacks of 4 with recycle bins on top. They're moving this one to the back scoring area. 37-87, meanwhile, for Blue is going to put 2 more on top of those 2 stacks of 4. They're not going to count but just for totes until they get a bin on top of those. But they do have 1 stack of 4 out there. So that's 24 points right there for them. There's another stack of 4 they've got going, and 37-87 now needs to move in with another recycle bin. 20 seconds remaining in this round. Now it's time to magnify those scores. IRS working on their 3rd stack, and they're coming into the front scoring zone with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of semifinal round 2. Final score for semifinal 2. The Red Alliance 96, Blue Alliance 104. Keep watching that leaderboard up there. There's 2 more rounds left for each of these teams in the semifinals. And things can change dramatically.